Thank you, Optimus Pet.
Thank you, Optimus Pets.
Thank you, Optimus Pet.
Before my pet started Optimus Pet, he actually had many problems. His fur stopped flicking and dropping. He was actually diagnosed with Cushing's disease, which is an autoimmune disease. He was also diagnosed with a heart murmur. I thought that that was the end because he had no energy. He was actually not able to walk. He was lying down listlessly all the time. When I started Optimus Pet, slowly I began to see a difference in him. He started to be more alert. He started moving around, running around. More energy he had. And I noticed that his general health and well-being really did improve. I believe that if I had not started Optimus Pet with him, he would have actually either passed away from his Cushing's and heart murmur, or he would be at home now just waiting to, hit the bucket. And I'm glad I did what I did, because you can see he's alert, his eyes are more bright, and he's been given a new lease of life, I should say. And I'm very grateful for that. On behalf of myself and my pet baby, we would like to say thank you, Optimus Pet. We love you.
Choose Optimus Pet.